You might see one manufacturer that has a video doorbell might be, $70. And then you might see a Ring or a Nest. These are the companies that provide these type of devices. They might be at $150 or $200. And you go, wow, why is there such a difference in cost? Well, a lot of times it's because once you take on that device and you sign up for that service, many people don't read the terms and agreement page. They don't read the privacy policy page where it says that your data can be shared with all third-party vendors that we work with.